This is my Traxxas 1/16 E-Revo VXL. I just got it in today, so I'm going to do a little unboxing video. Got the receipt there. And there it is. 1/16 E-Revo box. Now let's open it up. See what we got inside. Got your little quick charger here. I don't use that. I have a smart charger. Well, actually, that takes, what does it take, 8 hours to charge it in the wall? I don't do that. I have a quick charger. There it is. You take off the body clips. There. All the things in the bag. That. And you got your little packet comes with it. You got your battery, tools, Allen wrenches, tire tool, decals, manual, warranty, extra pinion gear, extra body clips, magazine, and that's it out of there. You got the 2.4 Traxxas link radio in here. That. There we go. There it is. Brand new Traxxas 1/16 E-Revo VXL.